25.
Status check.
Go, Alice.
Go Centaur.
Go OA6.
20.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V rocket with Cygnus, with supplies for the crew, experiments for the science.
Max Q, body rates continue to look good. RD-180 is performing well, pump speeds and injector pressures within bound. Booster has throttled back, right on schedule, engine response looks good. Current altitude is 12 miles, downrange distance 7 miles, current velocity 2,057 miles per hour. Range track looks good, controlling right down the middle. Booster's now flying alpha bias steering. Body rates look good. Vehicle is now 1/2 its liftoff weight, continuing to perform well. Closed loop steering has been enabled. Body rates continue to look very good. RCS pyro valve has been fired. System is now pressurizing to flight levels. Signatures look good. Current altitude is 31 miles, downrange distance 46 miles, current velocity 4,649 miles per hour. And the booster has begun to throttle to maintain 3.5 Gs. Signatures look good.
Solid data coming back.
Vehicle is now 1/4 of its weight at liftoff. Coming up on boost phase cooldown momentarily.
Solid data coming back here to the Cape from our Tel 4 telemetry station and also from the Jupiter Inlet
Station. Boost phase cooldown underway. Firing. Boost phase chill down's complete, and we have BECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have stage separation. We have LOX and fuel pre-start. GN2 purge firing. The RCS system is underway. And we have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10. fairing jettison. And we have indication of payload fairing jet. Looks like a good separation. Centaur closed loop steering has been enabled. Some minor rates being corrected out. Currently, Centaur is flying an altitude of 121 miles. Downrange distance is 338 miles. Current velocity is 9,620 miles per hour. Range track shows Centaur making good progress downrange, right down the middle. And we're seeing our normal RCS control firings. Line temperatures are warming towards bottle temperature. RL-10 continues to operate well. And Centaur has begun its dogleg maneuver. Signatures look good. And Centaur mixture ratio is coming into band, near nominal MR at this point. Coming up on the format change. And it looks like we have had the format change with only a minor loss of data. Still seeing normal thermal conditioning firings on the RCS. Line temperatures continue to warm towards bottle temperatures. Centaur tank pressures are stable. Storage bottle pressures look good. Centaur is now controlling near zero body rates. Continues to make good progress right down the middle of the range corridor. Current altitude is 190 miles. Current downrange distance is 744 miles. Current velocity 10,065 miles per hour. And Centaur is now requesting an oxidizer-rich correction. Engine performance is commensurate with the set MR. Vehicle body rates continue to look good. Battery voltages are stable. Tank pressures look good. This first burn of Centaur is scheduled for 13 minutes and 45 seconds.
Still live telemetry data coming from our ground stations. Yeah.
MR now has climbed near nominal. Engine performance continues to look good. Chamber pressures, LOX pump discharge, fuel venturi, all look appropriate.
About half a minute away, we'll be going to TDRS data.
Altitude 208 miles. Downrange distance is 1,002 miles. Current velocity 10,548 miles per hour. Center tank pressures and batteries all look stable at this point. Body rates controlling down the middle. And center has gone to antenna select mode. Data quality continues to look very good. Our antenna operation is nominal for the ZMR. RCS line temperatures continue warming towards bottle temperatures. Signatures look good. Centaur PU is controlling at nominal MR. Our L10 performance looks very good. Current altitude is 212 miles. Downrange distance is 1,354 miles. Current velocity 11,327 miles per hour. Our portion of flight continues to look very good. All systems are operating within expected bands for the conditions we are currently in. Current altitude is 208 miles. Downrange distance 1,552. Current velocity 11,797 miles per hour. Range track continues to show good progress downrange, right down the middle of the corridor.
12 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight. Centaur engine cutoff will come at 18 minutes and 9 seconds. Launch plus 13 minutes.
And Centaur performance continues to look very good. Storage bottle pressures are stable. Tank pressures are as well. Batteries are as well. Centaur continues its flight at an altitude of 193 miles, downrange distance 1,970 miles, current velocity 12,828 miles per hour. Range track continues to show good progress downrange. All systems are stable. we're still seeing our thermal conditioning firings on the RCS. Line temperatures are stable. RL10 performance continues to look good. Chamber pressures, LOX pump discharge, fuel venturi, all within expected range for the ZMR.
"15 minutes, 30 seconds into the flight. Centaur will cut off at 18 minutes, 9 seconds. And then Cygnus will separate 20 minutes and 58 seconds into the mission. Solid flight data.
6 miles, downrange distance 2,659 miles, current velocity 14,605 miles per hour. Range track continues to look good. All systems are performing nominally.
Solid flight data coming through TDRS. One minute remaining in the powered flight.
About a minute remains in this first burn of Centaur. All systems continue to look good. Current altitude 158 miles, downrange distance 2,989, current velocity 15,486 miles per hour.
"30 seconds to Centaur engine cutoff.
And Centaur continues to perform very well. ZMR is the nominal mixed ratio. Chamber pressures, LOX pump discharge, fuel venturi, all within band. Body rates are controlling at 0. Current altitude is 150 miles, downrange distance 3,643 miles. Current velocity 17,311 miles per hour. And we have MECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have 4S settling on. This coast to spacecraft separation is scheduled for 2 minutes, 49 seconds. Centaur has begun the turn to separation attitude. Centaur fuel tank has vented down and is currently stable. We continue continue our turn to separation attitude. Centaur is continuing its turn to separation attitude. All other systems are operating as expected. Still settling 4S motors. And Centaur has completed the turn to spacecraft separation attitude. And Centaur fuel tank is venting down. And it has completed the vent. And we have spacecraft separation.
Applause here in the Mission Director Center with spacecraft separation. Cygnus is now on its own.